buildings up above there. I think this is the accommodation here. Please do take consideration it is a low tide. So here's a look down on Padang Padang beach. You can see it's so busy there. Okay, I do have a lot of monkeys coming towards me now. Crowds of people here. Here we are now. We're going to go through the hello.
How are you?
Bintang, lots and lots. Crisp places for eating. Local little warung. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just before 3:30 p.m. I'm here in the Uluwatu area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beautiful beach location called Labuan Sait, Padang Padang Beach. So Padang Padang Beach here in the Uluwatu area of Bali is quite a popular beach location. Many of the tourists have already discovered this beach location. It's only a very small beach. It has beautiful rock formations out in the ocean. So in today's video I'm going to take you down to the beach, give you a tour around the beach. I think it's a 15 or 20,000 entrance fee to the beach location, and just give you some idea what you can expect from the beach. Now, as of regards for the area of Padang Padang, it's just off the main street of Jalan Labuan Sait, which is a very popular tourist street. It's home to lots of accommodation on the street there. You'll find lots of restaurants, warungs, coffee shops, tourist goods shopping, boutique style shopping, just about everything you could possibly need for the perfect holiday location here in Uluwatu area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you Padang Padang Beach. Okay, so here we are at the car park area now to Padang Padang Beach. You just have to make payment to this gentleman here, which is 2,000. Here's the motorbike car parking area. Car parking is just in the back or on the top there. Thank you, brother. Thank you. There we go, 2,000 paid. Now we just walk down to the beach. I'm just going to show you there is a few restaurants and things in this area as well. One here that's very popular, brunch station. A few tourists actually in there. Some more along the side there. I'm just going to head down to the Padang Padang beach here now. See, there's lots of tourists on the street here. It's the main gate entrance. I'm just going to show you the name of the beach. Labuan Sait, Padang Padang Beach. There it is. There's the main gate entrance. Okay, so I've just brought you across from the main entrance before we go down to the beach, just to show you this point here. So here's an idea if you want to get a photo opportunity above the beach. It's Padang Padang. Okay, so here we are back at the gate entrance now, and here's our ticket counter. I'll just show you the prices for the tickets. Opening hours 7 AM to 7 PM. There's the ticket office. So there we are, I've got my ticket now. 5,000 we change. I have to go down the steps now to the beach. Okay, so just down at the bottom of the steps. Little area here. Just walk over here actually. Maybe a nice picture perfect moment there. Okay, so just from the main ticket entrance area there is some toilet and shower facilities located just in the back here. It's a picture perfect moment. I'm on the way to the beach. So there's normally a guy here checking your ticket and scans your ticket, however he isn't here today. And just make our way down the stairs and it'll take us to the beach. It's here now. It's all well paved though, the steps. Right over to the side there. hatty, monkeys. And we're going to drop down into the cave section now. Beach this way. And here we are now. We're going to go through the cave. Nice. So steps down as well here. Just a short walk, and then you can already see we've got the light through again. And here we are, we're already through. That's going up the steps, going out of the beach. It's one way coming in, one way coming out. And here we are, we're already at the beach. You can see that's just a short walk from the ticket office to the beach. Super busy. Surf lesson, board rental. Wow. Super busy. Okay, we'll just take a walk through the crowds of people here. Wow. Super busy on the beach. Insane busy, in fact, not just super busy. Wow. So many people. So there's a main Padang Padang beach area. All the beaches to the side as well. So beautiful. Just bring you across gradually now, making our way towards the beach. We're zoom down to the beach now. Look at that, wow. So busy. Okay, so here's a look down on Padang Padang beach. You can see it's so busy there. All the beach space literally full. Let's just draw you out so you can see the ocean also. Beautiful ocean, low tide, people just literally bathing in the ocean. How magnificent is that? So we have the surfers down there in the ocean. Just waiting for the perfect wave. Okay, so just a little bit of additional information for you visiting Padang Padang. Now, during my visit now, it is actually a sort of like mid to low tide, I'd say. The ocean looks as though it's on its way out, hence the water isn't too deep. Close to the beach areas. You have to go out quite a distance, and even if you go out quite a distance, you're sort of still only at waist length depth in the ocean. So do check online the Uluwatu tide timetable at Surfline prior to your visit. If you're wanting to swim in the ocean, it's best to visit during a high tide. If you don't mind just going in, taking a dip and just bathing in the ocean, then maybe best to visit during a mid to low tide. Okay, so we've established there's big crowds of people here, so now we'll just take a look at the back of the beach. So here's your surfboard rental, surf lessons available, snorkeling, surfboard, everything for rent there. Some drinks and snacks and things here. Pringles, Bang Bang, biscuits, fresh coconuts, Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, Bintang, lots and lots. Crisps also. Hello, how are you, madam? And fruit as well. Some sellers as well at the back of the beach. All of your bracelets, necklaces, all the shells. Some sarongs as well available. Hello, madam, how are you? Hello. More sarongs here, so you just want to roll a sarong out and sit on the beach. Just buy one from these ladies. How much is the sarong? Wow, expensive, no? 150, she says. She says cheap price. It's an empty area at the back of the beach here. More things here. Just for example, a sarong should be around about 20 to 30, well 20 to 50 depending on what quality it is. More drink sellers and things here. Lots of people around. That's where we come down to the beach. So just on the other side, have a collection of places for eating. Local little warungs, drinks, copyright music. Some things going on there. Let's go and take a walk through the beach and go and explore. Just look at that. Insane. It's a bit of a cloudy day in the sky today. It's all a very younger crowd here. I'm probably the oldest person on the beach. Very young crowd. Some seating as well up there. Wonderful Indonesia. It's a low tide. Just finished walking through here and I'll take you to the ocean in this section here. So we're already at a low tide now. So you've got these areas here exposed during low tide. Lots of people in the ocean. Beautiful ocean. You'll see it better when I've take the drone up. So just back on the beach. So I think maybe during low tide we can get access through to areas that you can't normally get to when you've got a high tide. So just through here there is steps leading up to a rock that you can go and jump off. It's just there. Oh, and then we just have rocks. There's no... Oh no, we can maybe walk through. Sorry. Yeah. So here we have more little beaches round here. I've never been here when it's been low tide before. So we have some beautiful beaches here as well. So if it's high tide, you won't get access to these areas here. Well, we have some monkeys on the beach here. It's just going to offer you like little bathing areas. People are just sat in the water. There's a monkey there, baby monkey. And we have quite a few monkeys in this area here. Wow, beautiful. You These are just baby monkeys. Many beach areas here to sit and relax. It looks as though we have some accommodation up there. Eee, I've just stepped in the water. Ooh. Wow, beautiful. Okay, I do have a lot of monkeys coming towards me now. I'm just trying to get the drone out. So I'm wandering over in this area here now. Okay, so there's Padang Padang where we've just accessed the beach now. I'm just going to draw you straight across so you can just take a look at the whole beach location now in this area. Buildings up above there. I think this is the accommodation here. Please do take consideration it is a low tide. This beach location probably wouldn't be accessible during high tide. Let's just have a zoom in on the accommodation. Wow, I can zoom in further than that, however I'm not going to because we have to respect the people's privacy. It looks very, very beautiful. I'll just continue dragging you along now. How beautiful is this? Wow. Lots of construction in the distance there. You can see the cranes. More beaches again further along on a beautiful walk during low tide. Nice. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my visit to the stunning, out of this world, beautiful beach of Labuan Sait, Padang Padang beach here in the Uluwatu area of Bali. So starting from the car parking area where I started, 2,000 was the price for my motorbike parking. Not sure whether it's 5,000 or 10,000 for car parking, one of the two. And then the main entrance cost there, 15,000 international. I think children was 10,000, Indonesian was also 10,000. And then just arriving down a short walk to the beach, through, down the steps through the cave, and then dropping onto Padang Padang beach. Ooh la la, you could see how popular that beach was. Now it was a relatively young type crowd on the beach, and it is a young type crowd in this location of Uluwatu, Labuan Sait, the main street there. Lots of accommodations, lots of restaurants, but it is a relatively young crowd in this area. So back to the beach. The beach is absolutely stunning, beautiful white sand beach. It is a bit coarse, the sand on the beach. Was low tide during my visit, so do take into consideration that will make a difference to your overall experience here. If you want to just come and bathe in the water, come during a mid to low tide. If you want to come and swim in the water, then make sure you check online and view for a high tide. So you had a nice collection of restaurants were run, selling simple foods, snacks, soft drinks and things there. A few ladies selling sarongs. If you haven't brought a towel or something to roll out on the beach, just buy one from the ladies on the beach there. All in all, just a stunningly beautiful beach location. So it looks as though I had access today with it being low tide to go over to the other side. I've never actually been over that side before because I've always visited during high tide. But looks so you've got some kind of accommodation as well up on the cliff there. So maybe you want to check that out if you want to stay in this area. But all in all, this is just an absolutely stunning, fabulous beach location here in the Uluwatu area of Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful. And if you're not staying in Uluwatu, I highly recommend taking the time out from the popular tourist areas, coming visiting Uluwatu and some of the beautiful beach locations here in restaurants. And I shall say bye for now.